What is going on, my fellow hustlers? I am Tyler, helping you plan big and hustle hard. And today we are talking all about different streams of income. And I got some big news I'm excited to share with you. And you can probably see from this title, but I hit my first $400 day, 411 actually to be exact, and that's a big deal for me. I was super excited to hit it, and we're gonna talk all about it in this video. So I got the nice magenta light here, the yellow and the white light here. So I got the ambience set for this beautiful evening. It's about just before midnight on this Thursday night. So super excited to be with you. Let's go ahead and jump into the video. All right, guys, so I am tired. I went to bed super late last night, woke up super early this morning. So I haven't had a ton of sleep and I am getting tired, but that's okay because I am out here grinding, and today was a hustle day. I am super ecstatic. Is that the right word? Ecstatic. I'm super just hyped on life right now. I'm super excited because I did hit that daily financial goal I set for myself of $400 in a single day. And that was something I was super excited to hit, and something I couldn't have done if I didn't focus on multiple streams of income today. And I think that's something super important, and really what I've learned, in not just today but in the past few days and few weeks, I've really been trying to focus on multiple streams of income, and not just multiple streams of income, because you can have multiple service jobs where each one requires time, but also streams of income that are not necessarily passive, but that can be worked simultaneously. So meaning you can kind of have something going at the same time. For example, today something that was beneficial to me was that I was able to be doing website reviews, being able to review websites and being paid by the job there, while I also had money in the stock market while I was not necessarily working there, but the stock market is moving up and down, and I was able to make gains in the stock market while I was working on a second stream of income. And I think that's something super important, and something that we don't always put an importance on, is that we look for streams and we allow ourselves to have a lot of opportunities, because when we have a lot of opportunities, we're able to kind of filter through what we don't want or what's going to be more time consuming, and we're able to just get to the good opportunities. And when we tap out a stream, when there's no more websites for me to review, and my stock market is still growing or still moving up and down, something like that, then I can move to another stream. And it's something like that where if you have another stream, that's just an extra opportunity to make money. So I was super impressed by just kind of the whole day and the whole flow of the day, and it just kind of made sense. I was like, okay, yeah, I actually can do this. It is possible, and you just have to work smart, and you have to work efficiently, and you have to focus on having multiple streams, but not just multiple streams, but multiple opportunities, so that when you do tap out one stream, you can just jump right into the next one. And so that's a little bit about what I wanted to share with you guys today. I know it's super late, but I'm going to go into future videos into breaking down these different income streams and kind of how I made my money, and where the actual income came from, which streams, and how I was doing it. But I wanted to just share one more thing with you guys. It was getting kind of late. I was $11 short of my goal. So my goal was $400 for my daily income goal, and I was $11 short. And guys, I was getting extremely creative. My back was kind of against the wall. I was kind of getting a little nervous. I really want to hit this goal because I'm so close. I got to hit this. And I was just thinking, I had pretty much tapped out all my other streams. And I was thinking, I just got to open up another stream right now, tonight. And there was one that I hadn't really tapped enough, and that was selling things, just reselling things. So I kind of looked at it, and then I was like, no, this is a little bit longer process. I need something that's going to be right now. I can literally make money right now, tonight. And so I've had this and kind of felt this fear, or this sense of just not being a professional or being a little bit inadequate as far as when it comes to like photography. And obviously I've learned a lot making these videos, and I've, you know, done a little bit of side photography, like just for family and friends and stuff like that, but nothing that I've actually sold. And so I was like, you know what, I just got to face my fears. I need $11. Like, I'm going to get this no matter what. And honestly, guys, it was all the mindset. It was just, I accomplished my goal because of my mindset, and it wasn't anything, you know, nothing, no opportunity presented itself to me. It was legitimately my mindset and my creativity, because I was kind of running out of time, and I had to make a decision. And so I was super excited. I jumped on my story. I was like, hey, this is probably going to be the weirdest story that you watch tonight, but you know, I'm $11 short of my daily income goal. This is a big goal for me. I really want to hit it. I'm offering, you know, an hour of photography for just $11. If there's anyone out there that wants it, you know, please send me a DM. And no joke, within 2 minutes, I had a DM, and from a girl just being like, yeah, like that's awesome. Like, I'd love to support you in your goal, and I'd love, you know, for an hour photo shoot, that'd be great. So I was like, sweet, like I hit it. And then I got another DM, and this other girl was like, yeah, like that'd be awesome. I could use a photo shoot and stuff like that. I was like, dang. So in this moment of desperation for $11, my eyes were opened. I was like, holy cow, this is a completely another stream of income that I'm totally not taking advantage of. And yeah, I haven't gone through those photo shoots yet, because it was literally just like a few hours ago, but this is definitely something that my eyes are open to. I'm like, holy cow, there is potential here. And so I encourage you guys, if you're looking for new streams of income, just get creative. Think of what you like doing, what you kind of know how to do, or what you kind of want to do, and just get creative. Be like, you know what, I'm going to charge super cheap. And honestly, I'm probably going to bring on more people just for free, just so I can build up a little bit of a photography profile, portfolio, I guess they call it. And so yeah, it's just, there's so much opportunity out there, and the more opportunities you have, honestly, the better chance you have of making money. So I want to say that carefully, because it is dangerous when you have so many opportunities that you're just like back and forth, and there's nothing, you know, your attention and efforts are not put anywhere. But if you know these opportunities, even if you know them somewhat, if you know them and you can just, you know, ride one until it's dead, you know, review all the websites I can until it's tapped out, then jump to photography. I can go schedule a few clients. Boom, I can't schedule any more clients. I jump to something else. I can sell things on Mercari or something like that. You know, that's when you're really able to produce, and you're able to produce consistently and frequently, because you're tapping multiple streams and you're just doing it, you know, day in and day out. And so I invite you guys to look for more opportunities. Sit down with a pen and paper and write down, you know, all the different opportunities that you have and that you could be making money on. And yeah, I think your eyes will be open like mine were. So guys, that's about it for tonight. I do want to talk about more like long-term passive income type of stuff, because this was a pretty like just a very grindy mode way to make money. And so it was like, you know, just hard work. And yeah, it's not really passive, it's not really scalable, but I just really was excited for the effort I put forth today and the results I was able to see, and I wanted to share that with you guys. And so guys, just keep working hard no matter what. Get out there, grind, look for opportunities that you can make money right now, and then, you know, we'll work on planning for the future and getting that passive income set up and all of those future plans. So guys, thank you so much for watching until the end of this video. I'm so excited to be here with you, and look for more videos coming with those streams of income and breaking them down. Hit that like button if you like this video. That's really how I get feedback from you guys. And then go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed and are not part of the fam. I would love to have you. Honestly, I would love to have you guys here. So thank you so much, and enjoy your night. Take care.